Alright, so we have this issue whenever we user want to type something in, it's blocking the view. So for that we can make this screen scrollable. As you can see, at the moment it is not scrollable. So to make it scrollable, we have another component from React Native, and that is called scroll view. Instead of just view, that is called scroll view. Right, so let's import that. Let me also remove these ones we don't need here. Scroll view. All right, now we can use this instead of view. So here in our return view, let's replace that with scroll view. Okay, so when you save you get the error, and the error says here, scroll view child layout must be applied through the content container style prop. Okay, so that is a requirement. Whenever you use a scroll view, instead of style, you have to use content container style. Just give a different name. Content container style. Okay, so as soon as you do that, it looks good. Now you can see it is scrollable. Okay. Now looks a bit odd. You can see it is going straight up. That one. So we have to add a bit of a margin here. The scroll view. Let's try margin here. I think it doesn't work here. Margin vertical. Margin vertical. Let's give the value of 100. Okay, it's not actually working. So what we need to do here is we can put another view. So we have the scroll view on top. Okay, so everything inside. So let me remove this for now. Everything inside we can put inside view. So let me select from here all the way to here. Cut. Okay, so we have the scroll view inside here. Let's create a view, and then inside there just paste that back. All right, so we got the view. Now in this view we can write some styling. Margin vertical, so we can put that here. Okay, that's better now. You can see here it's right in the middle, so that's good. But we still have that issue when keyboard comes in. It is scrollable, however it again goes back to where it was, and that is still blocking. So this is not really useful for us. So what we can do is there's another npm library which is nice and easy to use, and that is called a keyboard aware scroll view. So not just scroll view, but that is aware of the keyboard as well. So whenever there's a keyboard, it will automatically push the content to the top of the keyboard. Okay, so that's why they call it keyboard aware scroll view. So let me search that in npm keyboard aware scroll view. Okay, so React Native keyboard aware scroll view. So you can see the example here when they're typing. So it pushes the content and you can even scroll. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's copy that, stop the server, paste that here, and while that's happening, let's go here and let's import that. Import. Let's have a look at the documentation. Okay, so we have to import like that. I think I have to just copy this one. It's just to avoid any typos. Let's copy all that and paste it. Okay, so import keyboard aware scroll view from React Native keyboard aware scroll view, and we're going to use this one instead of the regular scroll view. Replace that, and all the way down here replace that. Okay, now let's make sure we have the server running. Okay, let me press I to open on iOS. Okay, let me just restart, reload. Alright, now you can see how good is that. Now when you click, immediately it pushes the content to the top of the keyboard, because this is a keyboard always scroll view, and you can still scroll as well. Alright, so you can see here, you can scroll up and down. Beautiful. Alright, so that's how we are pretty much done with this space, this screen. Now we need another screen for sign in, which will be very similar. The only difference is we don't need the name field. When user want to sign up, we just ask them to enter the email and password. Otherwise everything else can pretty much stay the same. So why don't we create that screen as well, and then we can focus on other things, maybe navigation. We have a look into the navigation, how to navigate people from one screen to other, and then we will go to create our own backend API as well.